Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to send PDF via WhatsApp for new Instagram lead ads leads. So I am an owner of a business and I promote my business with the help of Instagram lead ads. I want that whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of my customers using Instagram lead ads, I want to send that customer a PDF file as a WhatsApp message. That PDF file can be the product brochure or any other PDF files, okay? And if I'm going to do all this manually, it is going to take me a lot of time. So what I did was, I simply created an automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So here in this automation, what is going to happen, that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram lead ads, automatically towards the lead, a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded with the attachment of the PDF file. And for that, we are going to be creating an automation between Instagram and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. I will be sending WhatsApp messages with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, as I've created a message template using that. If you want, you can use Wati or Interact to create your own message template, okay? So if you want to learn about this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send PDF via WhatsApp to new Instagram lead ads leads. So I am an owner of a skincare brand that is Natural Grow Skincare. I am promoting my business with the help of Instagram lead ads to attract more potential customers. While any of the customer generates a lead using Instagram lead ads, automatically to that customer, I want to send a PDF file of this product brochure. And if I'm going to do all this manually, it is going to take me a lot of time. So what I did was, I am creating an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, so that whenever a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram lead ads by any of my customers, automatically to that customer on their WhatsApp, a PDF file is going to be forwarded as a message. And for that, we are going to be creating this automation with Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear, which is asking for a workflow name. So for the workflow name over here, I'm going to give it as Send PDF via WhatsApp to new Instagram lead ads lead. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? Next, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. Further, click right over here. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select WhatsApp automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to a workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Send PDF via WhatsApp to new Instagram lead ads leads, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process, because our process depends on these 2 concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, we're going to set up our trigger step. For that, click on this arrow, and for the trigger application, we are going to select it as Instagram lead ads. As I'm promoting my business with the help of Instagram lead ads, whenever a new lead is going to be generated, I want to automatically capture the response of that new lead in my Pabbly Connect account. So that is why for the trigger application, I've selected it as Instagram lead ads, and for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant. Whenever a new lead is going to be generated, automatically and instantly, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, okay? And then to connect Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect, click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, but if you want, you can select the existing connection. So my Instagram account over here, this is my Instagram account. With the help of this Instagram account, I am promoting my Instagram lead ads, okay? So this Instagram account that I have is connected to a page that I've created in my Facebook account. You can see that this is a page in my Facebook account, and you can see it says connected to this account. So this is the same account, that is this Instagram account right over here, okay? So before connecting Pabbly Connect and Instagram lead ads, remember to log into your Facebook account as well as the Instagram account, which is interconnected, okay? So I've logged into my accounts right over here, and then I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads button. As you can see that we successfully authorized Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect. After connecting, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. So this is my Instagram account, okay, and if I'm going to go back, and this is the page that I've created using Facebook, okay. So this is the page that I've created, Peak Performance Physio, okay, and this page that right over here is connected to my Instagram account right over here. I'm going to show you that. For that, go to settings, scroll down, and under permissions click on linked accounts, and you can see right over here this is successfully connected to my Instagram account, this page, okay. And I want that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram lead ads, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. So this is my Meta Ads Manager, you can see right over here, and in Meta Ads Manager you can see right over here this page that is Peak Performance Physio is connected to this Instagram account right over here, and with the help of this Instagram account I will be running my ads, you can see right over here in this manner, okay. And what I'm going to do is, over here it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. So for the page over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the page that I've created in my Facebook account, that is Peak Performance Physio. I'm going to select the page right over here, okay. And then it is asking for us to select the lead gen form. So I've created a lead ads form in the name of new Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select this form right over here. With the help of this form, my leads are going to be generated, okay. So this is the form that I've selected. I've selected the page and the form right over here, okay. And after that, I will click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, you can see it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what we are going to do is, with the help of Meta Lead Ads Testing tool, we are going to generate a test lead. And we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. For that, I'm going to open my Lead Ads Testing tool. You can see that this is the Lead Ads Testing tool. With the help of this tool, we are going to generate the test lead, okay. It is asking for us to select the page first. I'm going to select the page as Peak Performance Physio, and for the form as the new Instagram lead ads, because in my workflow also I've selected the page and the form right over here. So these are the page and the form that I've selected. After that, I'm going to click on this preview form button. So this is the form that I've created using Instagram lead ads, and we are going to generate a lead with the help of this form. For the full name over here, I'm going to write it as test user, okay. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testuser@pabblytudes.com, okay. So this is the email, and for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number, okay. So this is a dummy mobile number. Then I'm going to click on continue and then submit to do the test submission. As you can see that it says the test lead has been sent. This means that test lead is generated with the help of Instagram lead ads. So now I'm going to open my workflow and I'm going to scroll down, and you can see right away we have received the response. In the response, we have received the details of the lead that is generated. For the full name being test user, email as testuser@pabblytudes.com, for the phone number, dummy mobile number, with all the other details. So this means that Instagram lead ads is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So now whenever a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, okay. Now as the lead is generated, we want to send the lead a WhatsApp message with the attachment of a PDF file. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our action step, and for the action application, I'm going to use it as WhatsApp Cloud API. With the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, I have created a message template. You can see that this is the message template that I've created using WhatsApp Cloud API. And I want to send this message template as a message to all of my leads that are going to generate with the help of Instagram lead ads. So that is why for the action application, I've selected it as WhatsApp Cloud API. And for the action event, I'm going to select it as send template message, as we are going to send the template message as messages to all our leads, okay. And then I'm going to click on connect to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, okay. After clicking on add new connection, over here if you're going to scroll down, it is asking for the token, phone number, ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. By providing these details, we are going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. From where are we going to have all these details from? For that, click on this hyperlink learn more right over here, okay. Then a new page is going to appear in front of you. You're going to scroll down. It says how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. By watching this tutorial, you're going to learn how to step-by-step complete WhatsApp Cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect. And when you're going to complete the setup, you're going to have all these details that Pabbly Connect is asking for, okay. And over here, as it is asking for the token, and if you want to generate a permanent token, you have to watch this other tutorial, that is how to generate permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API. By watching this tutorial, you're going to step-by-step learn how you can generate permanent token for WhatsApp Cloud API, okay. So as I've already created an API setup, I'm going to open it. As you can see, that is the API setup that I've created. It has the token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID that Pabbly Connect is asking for, okay. And as I've already told you that we have the temporary access token, but if you want to generate the permanent access token, then you can check out the video that was in that hyperlink. Okay, so we are going to copy these details from here and paste it. Okay, I'm going to copy this token from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. Next, it is asking for the phone number ID. So this is the phone number ID. I'm going to copy this ID from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. And lastly, for the WhatsApp business account ID, I'm going to copy this ID from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. Okay, after filling all the details, I'm going to click on the save button. As you can see that WhatsApp Cloud API is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect. It is asking for the template name, the template that we have created using WhatsApp Cloud API that we're going to send as a WhatsApp message. We have to select that template right over here. So I've created a template in the name of product catalog message and I want to send this template as a message. Okay, I'm going to show you this template. This is the template that I've created, and in the template I've added variables. What are variables? You can see in front of some values, in the end of some values, there are 2 curly brackets. These are the variables right over here. And I want that in place of these variables, I want to add the value according to my requirement. So this is the template that I've created and I've added 2 variables. You can see right over here. I want to send this template as a message. So for the template, I'm going to select as product catalog message right over here. So over here for the template, I'm going to select it as product catalog message. So this is template. Okay. Next, it is asking for the language code in the selected template ID. As soon as you're going to select the template name, the language code in the selected template ID is going to appear here automatically. So you do not need to do anything with those steps. After that, it is asking for the recipient mobile number. On which mobile number do you want to send a WhatsApp message to? As I want to send the WhatsApp message to the lead that has been generated using Instagram lead ad, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. How mapping works is, as soon as I'm going to click on this field, you can see it says Instagram lead ads, new lead instant. This was the previous step of this workflow. As I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As over here, it is asking for the recipient mobile number. In the response, we have received the mobile number of our customer who have generated the lead. So I'm going to map the data of this mobile number from my previous step. As I map the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this map data. Okay. Next, it is asking for the body field 1 and 2. As I've already told you, I've created 2 variables in the template. These are the 2 variables that I've created. Okay. The first variable is asking for the customer name. So I'm going to map the data of the customer name. The second variable is asking for the PDF link that we want to send to our customer. So in my Dropbox, I have created a folder in the name of PDF file, and in that folder I uploaded a PDF file. This is a product catalog. I'm going to open this. This is the product catalog of my business. You can see right over here, and I want to share this PDF format of product catalog to all of my customers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link of this product catalog from here, and I'm going to use this link in this field right over here, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link, click on share, click on share with Dropbox right over here, copy this link from here. As the link is copied, paste it right over here. Okay, so this is the link that I want to share. Okay, so after filling all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send test request button. But before that, over here in place of the recipient mobile number, you can see I mapped the data for mobile number, which is a dummy mobile number. So WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded to this number right over here. So what I'm going to do is, in place of this dummy mobile number, I'm going to enter my mobile number, so WhatsApp message can be forwarded on my number just for the test that we are doing. Okay, so for the recipient mobile number, I'm going to add in my mobile number. So I've successfully added my mobile number in place of the recipient mobile number. Now I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, we have received the response, which is a positive response, because for the message status it says as accepted. So now we have received the positive response, now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether I have received a new WhatsApp message with the attachment of this PDF file or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, you can see right over here, we have received a new WhatsApp message. It says, hello test user. Thank you for your interest in natural glow skincare. We are excited to help you and discover the perfect products for your skincare routine. Please find the attachment of our exclusive product catalog, where you will find the detailed information about our natural and efficient skincare solutions tailored to enhance your skin and health and beauty. This is the attachment. I'm going to open it later. It says, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need personalized recommendations. We are here to assist you. Looking forward to helping you to achieve your skincare goals. Warm regards, the Natural Glow Skincare team. And this is the attached file to it. I'm going to open this file. This is the same file that I've uploaded in my Dropbox. Has now been attached to the message that is forwarded on my WhatsApp. This is the product catalog of my business. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Instagram lead ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. But now for all of you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate another lead with the help of this lead ad testing tool, and I'm going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number or not. For that, I'm going to generate another lead. It says you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. As you can see that I've already created a lead with the help of this form. So I'm going to delete the existing lead from here. After it says your lead has been deleted, I'm going to refresh this page. It is very important to first delete the lead and then refresh the page, because if you're not going to do that, you will not be able to generate another lead with the help of this form, because you can only generate one lead per form. Okay, for the page over here, I'm going to select as Peak Performance Physio for the form as New Instagram Lead Ads form. After that, I'm going to click on Preview Form. It is asking for the details, first the full name, email and phone number. So I'm going to fill in the details. As you can see that I've filled in the details. So the full name as Smart Account, email as smartaccount@pabblytools.com for the phone number, the mobile number. Then I'm going to click on this Continue button and submit to do the test submission. As you can see that your test lead has been sent. So now as the lead is generated, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded on my number or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp again. And yes, you can see right over here, I have received a new WhatsApp message. It says, "Hello Smart Account." This is the message template with the attachment of a PDF file. I'm going to open this file. And you can see that this is the same file that we have attached in our workflow right over here has been sent to us as a WhatsApp message. You can see right over here. So this means that we simply created an automation between Instagram Lead Ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business and I promote my business with the help of Instagram Lead Ads. My objective is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram Lead Ads, automatically towards the lead, a WhatsApp message should be forwarded with the attachment of a PDF file. And for that, we have created an automation between Instagram Lead Ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect, and this is how you create this amazing automation. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.